Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Matsukaze Yaki, a baked ground chicken dish cut into shapes and decorated with sesame seeds and Aonori seaweed. It is often served as part of Osechi Ryori, the Japanese New Year's feast. These are the ingredients. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. Cut the long white onion vertically and chop finely. If you can't find the long white onion, you can use yellow or green onion too. Remove the stem of the rehydrated dried shiitake mushroom, slice thinly, and mince. You can use fresh shiitake, but the dried mushroom is packed with umami flavor. In a large bowl, add ground chicken, shiitake, onion, and the seasoning. Soy sauce, sake, mirin, miso paste, and sugar, and mix very well. The dish has strong flavor of soy with a bit of sweetness, but since it's served at room temperature, it needs to be seasoned well. Fill the mold with the chicken mixture. We are using 6 by 6 inches oven-safe container lined with parchment paper on the bottom. And bake in the preheated oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until cooked through. Take it out of the oven and let cool to room temperature. Remove from the mold and peel off the parchment paper. And cut in half and cut off the end. Then use a parchment paper to cover one side and sprinkle sesame seeds. And move the paper, cover the sesame side, and sprinkle dried green seaweed on the other side. Cut diagonally and slice into narrow fan shapes like that. Look how pretty it is! Matsukaze Yaki can be made ahead of time and kept in the fridge for a couple of days. Great for Osechi Ryori for New Year's Day, or can be served as festive appetizers.
美味しいね。